If you don't know where you belong, my dear, you need to watch this video to the very end because I'm going to show you how to discover your voice type. Because each and every one of us, we have different voice types. We have the alto, we have the soprano, we have the tenor, and some of you don't know where you belong. But let me still tell you something, that voice type is not only based on if you're a tenor, if you're a soprano, if you're an alto, but then if you are singing with a choir, they need to put people who are on similar ranges together. At least their voice range, they can sing as high as this or as low as this together. So they would classify them separately. And this is where voice classification based on voice range comes in. So in this video, I am going to put you on your range. You should be able to know where you belong at the end of this video. So are you with me? Let's get started. Before we get started, yes, my name is Grace Ofoka. I am the lead vocal coach at Gracidio Media Music and Vocal Institute. So here, what we do is that we help people to find their unique voice. And generally, the school helps people to discover their music dreams. Whatever is your music goal, we'll ask you, what's your goal? And we'll help you to actualize your dream. Is your goal to be able to play an instrument? You're going to be able to use music to touch lives? We will help you to achieve that. And so in today's topic now, we're going to help you to find your vocal range. And if you want to really find your voice, understand how to sing better, maybe you've always been passionate about singing, my dear, you need to register at our music school because we bring you the best. We have an in-person campus. We also have online program, so you can learn online, you can learn in person. If you're interested, just send us a message on the link provided for you in the description box. Okay, let's get started. Now, for you to find your vocal range, you're going to use your piano or something, or you can listen to me. We're starting from the middle C, and then I'll be playing wherever sounds so uncomfortable for you. Please write it down. Wherever sounds too high for you, stop singing and mark it. So as I'm playing it, you'll be seeing it on the screen. Now you can see my piano. I'm going to write on it. This is C, my middle C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, that's where my piano stops. So we will be moving up. These are the treble notes from the treble clef. In it, you will find your mezzo-soprano, your alto, your soprano singers. So let us look for it. Start singing ah, ah. Now as I play, whatever I play, you sing. If you can no longer play, take note of it. This is C4, C5, C6, and then this is C7. So obviously this will be E4, right? If this is F4. If we get here, this is C5, D5, E5, okay? So let's go. Ah, over to you. Can you still go on? I'm sure that some of you must have stopped. If you've stopped, right where you are. Maybe some of you may stop here. The ladies, you may stop here. G. This is G5. If you continue, continue. Hey, is there anybody that would reach here? C7. Okay. Please write where you stopped now. And now, let us now check for the male singers. Not just male. If you are a female and you were not able to get to this place, please, you're going to do this with me as well. If you are a female too who was able to even get here, do the low notes for me so that we can see where you stop at. So we will be going down. This will be C4. So this will be B3. Take notes. So let's go A, G, F, E, D, C. This will be what? C3, right? Then B, A, G, A, G, F, E, D, C. So this will be C2, B, A, G, F, E. This is E what? E1. Okay? So C1 will be somewhere down there. Okay. So we started from here. So we're going to be going down. Ah, so you. Continue. He's saying If you can keep going. Some of you would have dropped out here. So if you can still go, keep going. I would like you to write it on the comment section once you get there. Okay. Oh, please, where did you stop? Let us now check our voice type. Check your results. Now, if you got around C4 to C6, which is you are a soprano, so I'm a soprano. Yeah. That's the highest female voice type. And if you even go above C6, you are a soprano. Then, if you're a female, mezzo soprano is the second highest female voice. And it's from A3 to A5. So, so if you can do this comfortably, you're a mezzo soprano. That's why sometimes I do some mezzo soprano because my low range is also good. So I do mezzo soprano. So, but if this is where your voice falls into, you are a mezzo soprano, and you can sing alto as well. But then if your strength is more on the high side, then you're a soprano. So like alto, lower, middle, female voice. F3 to F5. So if you can do this, you are an alto. Contra alto is this, lowest, and it's very rare. That is a contra alto. Then we have the counter tenor. This is the highest male voice. Their voice range is similar with that of an alto singer. Like I said, contralto is lowest and rarest. So they are very, you see a lady to be like she's singing bars. They're usually contralto. They're very low. Their voice range is around the E3 to E5. And to this E5. So if you've got around E3 to E5, you are a contra alto, or we can also call you an alto. So then let's check for countertenors. Countertenors are the highest male voice type. Their voices sounds like an female voice ranges, and it's usually E3 to E5. okay, or above. Then we have the tenor. The tenor is the highest male voice type, okay? The second highest male voice type, C3 to C5. So if your range falls around here, you are a tenor when you join the choir. Then we have the baritone. Yeah, the baritone. A2 to A4. So you find them here. A2 here. This is A2. A2 to what? A4. That's the baritone. Then you have the bass. It's spelled as bass, but pronounced as bass. Bass, E2 to E4. So this is your E2, and then your E4 is around here. So we have, okay, so what is your range? And where do you think you will classify yourself if you join a choir? I'd love to read it and I'd love to guide you too. Thank you.